Hi guys, welcome back to Gearbest. The hottest thing right now is probably back to school, and well, I don't know if you are a freshman or you are already in college and thinking about upgrading your laptop, but if you are a freshman, definitely stay with us. And if you have a kid in your house, in your family, and wanting to go to the college, getting started with this laptop is a good choice. So we're going to introduce you this one. This is the new generation of laptop called KUU XBook, and it's looking quite cool over here. I bring my own computer at work and to do a very brief comparison. And this one looking over here, this is my day-to-day one. It's looking a little bit old, and this one costs 4,000 RMB, and this one is costing less than $300. And how much is 4,000 RMB? Let's ask Siri about this one. Okay, say, hi Siri.
Hi there.
How much is 5,000 RMB in USD dollars?
That would be $723.33.
You see, this one not only double the cost, but it's a little bit extra. And I feel really bad. Other than the laptop, I really want you guys to search for this and the sticker to your case, and you can put your phone over here and carry around on a day-to-day basis, or you can put sticker and a pen in there as well. So we're going to look at those two. And this one, I'm going to scrub it a little bit and scrub this. I can tell you guys, this is made of metal and this is made of plastic. It looks like making of aluminum case, right? And aluminum case versus a plastic. And what's the difference? Let me tell you, the difference is gonna be two things. The first one is cost effective. We have our own molding for this, and plastic is definitely cheaper than metal case. Another thing is, this is gonna be lighter, and looking at this, not only it's a little bit thinner, we're saying this is ultra thin, but this is noticeable lighter than the other one, and it's smaller. And let's take a look at this surrounding and see if it supports your day-to-day work. I mean, it definitely supports because I've been playing it for a whole day. And very clean design, and you won't be able to tell until you put it in your hand. It's made of plastic. And looking at this side, it's a jack side and HDMI and SD card. 3 on this side, very simple and clean, and another 3 on this side, the power, HDMI, and USB. And other than that, nothing. It's just nothing. And if you notice, there is something, two rubber feet over here, and I was curious what is designed for until I open it up. I'm going to show you guys what is this for. Looking closely, so after I bend it over for over 120 degrees, you can see the bottom is lifting up, and the rubber feet is actually for the protection for the bottom line. And by lifting the base up, this is going to help you to get rid of the heat. So this is a really smart design. Since we already opened it up, it's about time that we take a close look of this computer. I'm going to open up my own computer as well to give you a small comparison. Okay, there we go. These two computers right now are of the same background picture, and it's easy to tell this one is much brighter. I've already adjusted both of the screen color and brightness to 90%, and this one looks a little bit darker, probably because I've been using this laptop for 2 years, but you can see this one is bright and it's good enough for your use. And another thing you can see from bottom up is the keyboard, and this one, the keyboard is larger, and it's a full keyboard. You can see from this side it has more over here. And one thing that caught my eye is the speaker over here. This actually has a little bit design. It gives me a very structural design feeling, looking like I'm somewhere walking around and looking over a bridge and see someone swimming in the lake. And it gives me the extended view. I like the design. I don't know how they come up with this, but this is actually cool. Now I'm going to switch over and show you guys the CPU things that you guys will care about getting a computer. What I can tell you guys at this point is this is definitely good enough to support your day-to-day work. A It supports you to run multiple systems and all the software and video and game or watching movies at the same time. So this one here says a processor Intel 4115 CPU, which, if you remember, is very close to our KUU2. And if you compare this to TechCast, this is actually much cheaper. With the new CPU generation, it actually improves 20% of the general performance. And over here we can also see the it's Windows 10 Pro, and a little bit different from the Windows 10, but good enough and updated. So you won't be behind any of your classmates. And let's feel the keypad a little bit before we move on to the next section. So I'm going to try to type something. The tactile is actually fine, but fine enough. We're going to, let me add a new rich text document. So the tactile actually feels fine, and it's, let me type in something. Welcome to Gearbest. I think this is kind of acceptable in class or in the library as well. And let's move on to the details of the performance of this computer. Thank you for keep watching. And yeah, it's, you guys know when something new is hitting the market, we are always offering coupons. And for this one, we're offering 100 coupons, and you can purchase it either 8 GB or 16 GB at a different cost. The one that I'm using, which is $723. This is a really good deal. And another thing is, the first 100 customers are gonna get a free laptop case. This is gonna be really convenient if you put it into a laptop case and carry it around in the campus. So guys, I hope you stay safe and happy and enjoy the back to school, and have a good time. See you guys. Bye.